Okay, now we're going to show you how to put in league scores. So again, come up here, go to your league. It shows most of them up here, but if you have too many leagues, you'll have to go to view all my leagues, which will bring you to here. And I'm looking for Training League 2019 right here. Brings me to this spot here. Now once I'm at this spot, I want to put in my scores. So I click scores. Enter scores for event. This is the first time of the year that we're entering scores, so it's going to ask you for all of this stuff. And all you have to worry about is clicking this. It's fine. This will be fine. This will be set up. You want to make sure it's the proper course. We are playing Arrowhead today. The proper date. Matchups are here. This is the scorecard that was turned in. So we're going to be working with this scorecard right here. Okay, and yes, they played the front nine. You'll want to double check. This should be done, and you'll want to make sure you make that you're on the proper nine. And don't always trust what these guys turn in, because sometimes they just write them wherever. Most of the times they will. It takes them maybe 2 or 3 holes to realize they're writing it down on the wrong nine. But 99% of the time they've got it filled out on the right side. But don't trust it. Make sure. Count towards the handicap, yes. Click this. We go to the next step. All right. So for match 1, Josh Brewer, Kristen Brewer. We go to enter round, and then again we're working off this scorecard, and we're just going to type in Josh's scores. Okay, so I'm going to type my scores in. It automatically goes to the next one. See, got a 3 on that hole, pretty nice. 4, 5, 6. Adds up my score automatically, a 37. Okay. Don't worry about clicking on any of these. Click on this, save, and go to next scorecard. Save my round. And now it automatically takes you to the next player on the scorecard, which is Kay Brewer, Kristen Brewer. Okay. I'm going to just quickly input these, and then I'll be right back to show you the next step. All right, I typed in all of Kristen's scores. She had one heck of a round. She had a 32. Usually that's what she has after 2 or 3 holes, but today she was playing really well. Again, hit and save round. Okay. Next up, now we go to the next person on the scorecard, which is Christopher Wallace. All I'm going to do is do the same exact thing, punch all of these in, and that's as easy as that. Once I do that, I'll show you what the next step is. Okay, so I have successfully punched in all my scores for that first scorecard. I keep hitting save and go to the next scorecard, so it would go up to the next matchup, which would be Rakeem Diggs' scorecard. So you would type in Rakeem's scores, and you would do that for the whole league, right? You just do it until the whole thing was done. And when you get to the end, you just hit save round, and that is how you enter scores. Now there will be some nuances. There will be names scratched out and a new name added. That shows you there is a substitute golfer, and I will show you that in another video.